Understand?
No speak eh. No speak, my friend. No speak, just silent.
Yeah.
Guys, ang nilagay dyan ay margarine.
Margarine.
Yeah, margarine.
Alternative na ba?
Yes. Pag mabigas yung butter nyo, if your butter is hard, if you pretend to take out, you can let the butter into the microwave. Brush. Just brush, it's okay.